Hello SuperMoms! Today we are going to talk about how to work with real estate agents to find great deals. But first, can we all agree that finding good deal in real estate right now is harder than finding parking spot at Disney World? I mean, it's like finding a needle in a haystack while juggling 3 kids with a latte. My name is Havan Lee at Real Estate Supermoms. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Check in every Wednesday. Leave me a comment below to let me know how this channel can better serve you. To all our listeners and viewers, thank you so much for your support. When working with real estate agent, the first thing you want to do is to build a relationship. Now, I don't mean a relationship like the one that you have with your mother-in-law, where you smile and nod it, but secretly inside you want to run away. No, no, no. This means taking the time to get to know them, get to know their background, their experience, and some fun fact about them, and also expressing your goals and your preferences for investing. By building trust and rapport with real estate agents, you increase your chances of them bringing you deals that fit your investment criteria. So put on that charm and get ready to win them over. Next, you want to be crystal clear about your criteria in your investment. This is super important because if you tell your agent that you are interested in buying a house, they might just bring you a cardboard box with a for sale sign on it. So be sure to tell them what is your investment criteria, the location, the price point, and what is the return on investment that you are looking for. And don't be afraid to bring in that mom voice because they know that you mean business. When real estate agents bring you deals that fit your investment criteria, act fast and decisively. Remember, time is money, and we don't like to waste either one. So put out that latte and put on your superhero cape and start crunching number like a boss. Like and subscribe like a boss. Lastly, it's important to provide feedback to your real estate agents. Even if you decided not to pursue that particular deal, think of it like Yelp for real estate agent. If they do a good job, give them that 5-star review and a big hug. And if they don't, well, you know what to do. But seriously, your feedback helps real estate agent to understand your preferences better, and that can lead to more targeted opportunities in the future. So don't be shy to tell them what you think. Let me tell you a story about how I work with real estate brokers to find commercial deals. So I'm like this persistent mosquito that won't go away. So I give broker my thought on the deals that they showed me. At first, they probably think, who is this crazy lady? But then they realize that I'm serious in investing and I know my stuff. So the only way that they can get rid of me is to find me a deal that I will invest in. And really, it's like a win-win situation because they get to offload a deal and I get to invest in a deal that fit my criteria. But seriously, providing feedback and follow-up with your real estate agent will help you to stand out compared to other investors and build strong relationships in the industry. That's all for today's episode of Real Estate Supermoms. I hope that you enjoy learning how to work with real estate agents to find great deals in real estate. Remember, real estate investing is a journey. It takes time, patience, and persistence. With the right mindset and strategy, you can gain financial freedom and create the life that you deserve. If you have any question or feedback, leave me a comment below and feel free to share this episode with other moms. And don't forget to tune in for our next episode where we share more tips and insights to help you become supermom investors. Keep on crushing it, supermoms!